students and parents, welcome back to my channel with another maths tutorial video today, and I'm going to explain you about one of the most important chapter of mathematics, that is ratio and proportion. Today is the part 1 of this video and I will explain you what is ratio and proportion, and I will show you how to solve some numerical problems related to ratio. So let's get started. A ratio is a comparison of two quantities. A proportion is an equality of two ratios. In our daily life, we often come across many situations where we need to compare quantities in terms of their magnitudes or measurement. The ratio of the two quantities of the same kind and in the same units is a fraction that shows how many times the one quantity is of the other. The ratio of two quantities A and B will be A divided by B or A is to B. A and B are called the terms of the ratio. Here, A is called the first term or antecedent, B is called the second term or consequent. Let's solve some numerical problems based on ratios. Our first sum is express the ratio 45:60 in its simplest form. To do this sum, first of all we have to calculate the factors of 45 and 60, both the terms. Here you can see that the two common factors of both the terms are 3 and 5. So highest common factor of 45 and 60 will be 3 into 5 means 15. So to find out the lowest term of the ratio 45:60, we have to write it like a fraction and we have to divide up and down with this HCF. The answer will be 3:4. Let's come to our second numerical problem. Divide rupees 1250 between two friends Aman and Amit in the ratio 2:3. So the sum of the terms of two ratios will be 2 plus 3 equal to 5. Now we have to find out the share of the two friends. Aman's share will be 2 by 5 into 1250, means out of 5 his share is 2. Then according to unitary method, amount 1250, what will be the share of Aman's share? The answer will be 500. Following the same process, Amit's share will be 3 by 5 into 1250. And the answer will be 750. So Aman's share will be rupees 500 and Amit's share will be 750 rupees. Let's solve our third numerical problem. Ratio of the number of male and female workers in a factory is 5:3. If there are 115 male workers, find the number of female workers in the factory. Let's solve this third numerical problem with the help of algebra. We have to consider the common ratio of the two terms is x. So male workers will be 5x and female workers will be 3x. Here you can make a small equation. 5x equal to 115, that is already given, and value of x will be 23. So putting that value into 3x, we will get the number of female worker will be 69. So I hope the sums on ratios will be clear to you. In my next video, I will explain the sums on proportion by students and by parents.